turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release handle and open the bonnet. This will allow you to see the battery, which is located to the right of the engine compartment. Never start by disconnecting the positive terminal with all the cars still connected to the minus terminal. This risks creating dangerous sparks in the electric network of your car. Simultaneously, separate the two tabs which hold the battery support cover in place so you can remove it. Using a socket wrench and a 10mm socket, unfix the holding nut that fixes the minus terminal. Remove it, then move it away to avoid any untimely reconnections which could damage the electrical network in your vehicle. Using a socket wrench and a 10mm socket, unfix the holding nut that fixes the positive terminal. With the same tool, remove the holding nut on the positive terminal so you can remove it and release the terminal. To remove the battery, you must unscrew the holding bar. Using a socket wrench, an extender and a 10mm socket, unscrew the two holding nuts. To save time, finish the process off by hand. Don't try to remove them, remove the bar and they will come off at the same time. You can now remove the battery. Sand the inside of the terminals with sandpaper to remove the layer of white oxidation and to avoid breakdowns in the long term. Put the battery back into its compartment. Put the holding bar for the battery back on. Start by screwing the two nuts by hand. Then, finish the process with a socket wrench. Put the positive terminal back in place, as well as the cable that goes along with it. Screw them back in using a socket wrench and a 10mm socket. Finally, put the negative terminal back in place and screw it down. Put the cover back on the battery support. Operation completed.